Hi everyone, welcome back to the Evolution of Productivity, where we focus on personal growth and self-development. Today's topic is one that can truly transform your life: minimalism and mindful consumption. In a world overflowing with things, we often lose track of what's really important. By simplifying your life, you'll find more clarity, reduce stress, and gain a better understanding of your true values. So let's dive into the benefits of minimalism and how conscious consumption can lead to a happier, more meaningful life. Let's start with some practical life hacks to help you declutter and get rid of the unnecessary items that are taking up space, not just physically, but mentally too. Here are some steps you can follow. The one in, one out rule. This is simple. For every new item you bring into your home, get rid of one you no longer need. It forces you to think twice before making a purchase and helps prevent accumulation. 30-day declutter challenge. Pick a room or a category, like clothes or kitchen items, and dedicate just 10 to 15 minutes each day for a month to declutter. By the end of 30 days, you'll be surprised by how much lighter and more organized your space feels. The 90/90 rule. If you haven't used an item in the last 90 days, and you don't expect to need it in the next 90 days, consider letting it go. This is especially helpful for clothes, kitchen gadgets, and tech. Sentimental items, memory or functionality. We all have sentimental items we hold on to. Ask yourself, does this item still bring joy or hold value in my life, or is it just taking up space? Consider taking a photo of the item to preserve the memory without keeping the physical object. The 4-box method. Grab 4 boxes and label them as keep, donate, sell, and trash. As you go through your things, sort them into these categories. This helps break the decluttering process into manageable steps. Minimalism isn't just about having fewer things, it's about having more of what matters. Here are the key principles to guide you. Quality over quantity. Minimalism encourages you to invest in fewer, high-quality items that last longer and truly serve your needs, rather than buying many cheap items that quickly wear out. Focus on purpose. Ask yourself, what purpose does this item serve in my life? Minimalism invites you to look for value in everything you own. If something doesn't align with your purpose or values, it's okay to let it go. Reduce mental clutter. It's not just about physical clutter. Mental clutter can be just as overwhelming. By simplifying commitments, saying no more often, and prioritizing what matters most, you can create space for mental clarity. Intentional living. Minimalism teaches us to be intentional with our time, energy, and resources. Are you spending your time on things that bring you closer to your goals and values? Or are distractions pulling you away from them? Freedom from consumerism. One of the core principles of minimalism is the freedom it brings from the constant need to buy more. It's a shift from wanting more to appreciating what you already have. Now that we've talked about decluttering and embracing minimalist principles, let's focus on conscious consumption. Shopping with intention is a key part of simplifying your life and avoiding unnecessary purchases. Ask why before you buy. Before making any purchase, ask yourself, why do I want this? Is it to fill an emotional gap, keep up with trends, or because you truly need it? This simple question helps you make more intentional choices. The 30-day rule. When you want to buy something non-essential, wait 30 days before purchasing it. This cool-off period helps you determine whether you really need or want the item. More often than not, the urge to buy fades away. Buy for longevity, not convenience. Fast fashion and cheap goods may seem appealing, but they often don't last. Invest in durable, high-quality products that serve you well over time, which is both financially smart and eco-friendly. Focus on sustainability. Consider the environmental impact of your purchases. Support brands that prioritize ethical production, fair wages, and sustainability. Buying second-hand or upcycled items is another great way to reduce waste. Digital declutter. Minimalism also applies to your digital life. Unsubscribe from emails you don't read, organize your files, and cut down on time spent mindlessly scrolling. A cluttered digital space can be just as draining as a cluttered home. By embracing minimalism and conscious consumption, you're not just clearing physical space, but mental and emotional space as well. You'll have more time for the things that matter most, your relationships, passions, and personal growth. Remember, minimalism isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making room for what truly adds value to your life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to The Evolution of Productivity for more tips on living a more intentional, fulfilling life. Drop a comment below sharing your own minimalist journey or your favorite decluttering tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.